Yes, Martin.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Wait for
How are
five to
you?
waiting for 5 to 10 minutes. Then other students will come. Then we will start the class. Okay.
Thank you very, thank you very much.
Okay. Write your name and roll number in chat box.
Sorry.
Write your name and enrollment number in chat box.
Okay, let me send one.
Okay.
Thank you. But sir,
Yes. Yes.
hello.
Yes.
I,
Tell
I
me.
have a problem with downloading the MS board because I want to share also.
I will explain. Don't worry.
MS board share. I want to download.
I will explain. Don't worry. I will explain. Okay.
Ticket. Ticket.
Okay. Yes, Martin. Can we start the class? Yes,
Yes.
Martin.
Ma'am on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can ask the first you ask your questions. Then I will start the class. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me what is the
Thank thank you
yes.
very much. But now, Madam Dimpo had asked us to download the MS board for sharing in the evening, because in the evening we have practicals. But
Okay.
I'm failing. I'm failing. I don't know which I don't know which I can use. I'm using MS Word. Is bring other things.
Okay. Tell me how you are downloading. Can you share the screen where you are downloading the MS Word?
I'm just going in the Google.
Just show me the screen. You can share.
I don't know what.
I will please share the screen. I will. I want to see what is wrong with
Okay,
you.
okay. Let me share.
Yes.
Are you seeing anything,
Your skin is
sir?
not visible. Your skin is not visible.
That's why. That's why I need to get to know so they can be visible.
Uh, just go to presenter option.
I go to.
Go to present now option.
Pardon.
Okay, okay. I will show you. I will show you. Just
Okay,
go.
thank. Mhm.
I will share.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, dear, my skin is visible. Hello. My skin is visible or not? Hello. Yes, Martin, my skin is visible.
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Tell me which operating
I'm
system
seeing.
you are using? Which operating
I'm seeing
system you
now.
are using? Uh, tell me which operating system you are using.
Me,
Windows.
I was entering MS Word.
You want to download the MS Word. Okay.
I was just
Just,
entering it. So now,
just which operating system you are using?
I'm using Windows 23, Windows 2010.
Windows 2010. Okay.
2010. Yes.
Okay. 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 Then just go to any Office 2010.
Mm-hmm.
Download with crack. There the multiple options are there. You can just click on this.
Full version.
Your window is 32-bit or 62-bit. This MS Office is applicable for 32 and 64-bit both. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Download. Download now.
Okay. Okay. Install. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. It will be done.
Thank you. Let me do that now. Thank you.
Okay. 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 Now, today we start the. You are already discussing with CIT 03. CIT 03. Today I will discuss the block 3, that is called. I am presenting CIT 03. Yes, my dear friends, my skin is visible. It's showing something on your screen. Some books, basic technology and multimedia applications. My skin is visible.
Yeah, now I can see.
Yes. My first humble request, please interact each and every topic. Okay? That will
Okay,
better. That will you understand better.
okay,
Okay?
okay.
Okay. Now, introduction to multimedia. Can you tell me what is multimedia? Anyone? Anyone tell me what is multimedia? Yes, my dear friends. Can you tell me what is multimedia according to your knowledge? Francis, Francis, do you want to share anything? What is a multimedia?
I have no idea.
No idea. Okay, it's good.
Excuse me,
You say
excuse me, sir.
something. Yes, yes. Tell me.
I think with multimedia is where we requires a combination of software or hardware on the same at the same time, using at the same time.
Okay,
For instance,
okay. I will. Okay, and what about the Novat? La Sia Moai.
Yes, sir.
Peace. Can you say something about multimedia?
Multimedia, according to me, it's a use of internet with for various social interactions like use of Twitter, Facebook, Google, those things.
Okay. Okay. Now I will explain. Multi means many. Media means media. Media means like movie, text, images, audio. That is called media. And media may be anything. It may be collection of text. It it can be collection of um, pictures. It can be collection of audio, and it can be collections of video. So that means multimedia is collection of different type of media. Like if you combine text, images, audio, and video, it becomes multimedia. It is clear? Yes, it is clear. Yeah, not.
yes, sir.
Okay, it's a good. Now, multimedia. It's a basic concept. Listen, multimedia is interactive, non-linear media comparison to broadcast medium. That's it, multimedia. The basic component of multimedia are used for text. We are discussing about the text. Graphics means pictures. Voice means audio. Animations like cartoon movies, this is called animations. And video, you already know. That means collection of these components, it becomes multimedia. Okay. Now, next point is, what are the main component of multimedia? Main component, there are two types of main component in hardware point of view and software point of view. Say, so what is hardware point of view? What is the hardware point of views in text of multimedia? Their requirement of multimedia is VGA, virtual graphic. Like we needed CPU, monitor, input and output devices, CD-ROM, sound card, laser disc. These are minimum requirement for multimedia. Now, what is CPU? Anyone tell me what is CPU? CPU is basically central processing unit. It is also called mother of the computers. That means whole data is collectively stored in CPU. They can be managed by the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It consists of, if I will show you, draw ALU, CU, and MU. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logical Operation. This combined known as CPU, or here is the called key input devices, input. And that means anyone user wants to communicate CPU, that means they input through the keyboard and goes to CPU, and CPU process them and gives the desirable output according to your input. That is called out output. Okay. That means this part is known as CPU. This part is called CPU. CPU consists of ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. CU stand for control unit, or MU stand for memory unit. Whenever you enter anything on computer, you enter through input device. Then this message goes to control unit. Control unit see the what type of data is there. If it is to just store in computer, then it goes to memory unit. If is any operations required like arithmetic and logical operation, then goes to ALU devices. After that, again data comes back to control unit and gives to desirable output in output devices. That is known as CPU. Any doubt? Anyone? CPU? Yes. Anyone? Any doubt regarding the CPU? My dear friends, please tell yes or no.
No, no.
Okay. Now I go to the monitor. What is monitor? Any idea about the monitor? Monitor basically used to display our output. That is known as monitor. Okay. Monitor, I think you already discussed in CIT 01 classes. Okay. Now Next point is input output devices. What is input devices? Martin, can you tell me five input devices? Yeah, anyone can tell me five, 10 input devices.
We have ROM, CD-ROM.
Yes, CD-ROM.
Hmm.
No, CD-ROM is not an input device. Anyone or anyone?
Yes,
CD-ROM? Yes, tell me.
the input devices we have keyboard,
Yes, it's good. Fine.
the mouse,
Mouse, it's a good.
mouse,
Tell me,
light
what is it?
pen.
Just a minute, dear, my dear friends. Know what? What is the difference
Yes,
between keyboard and mouse?
a keyboard is only an input device. I mean,
And mouse
and
is also input
it's
device. Then what is the difference?
yes,
Any functionality difference?
yes. A mouse is used for clicking, while
Yes, very
keyboard
good.
is mainly
Mouse,
for type.
keyboard, key, with the
Keyboard is
help of
mainly for
keyboard,
typing.
keyboard is used for the typing. Mouse is used for pointing a particular position. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Next, the two input devices, keyboard, mouse, and third one,
Microphone
microphone. What is the use of microphone? It's
to input the sound on the
yes,
computer.
very good, very good, Francis. Can you switch on your video? Yes, it's a nice face, yeah. Or
Okay.
others, can you others please switch on your video? Yes, very good, very good. Yes, Martin, you can also switch on your video. Okay, there are three input devices: keyboard, mouse, and third one is good. And the third input device is mic. And another,
Yes.
anything else? Tell me.
A light pen.
Light pen. Very good. It's a fourth. Light pen. What is the use of light pen?
A light pen can
To make, to mark anything on monitor or to do signature. Okay. And another, fifth one,
a joystick.
joystick. Very good. That means you are playing games.
Yeah, I do.
Games. Okay. Joystick is basically used for games. For left, right, move up, down. Okay. And that is the five. And next, anyone? Other devices?
Yes. Scanner.
A scanner. Very good. Martin, what is a scanner? Any idea?
Scanners help us to scan the documents.
Yes, very good. If you want to input your picture, like image,
Mm.
if do you want
Mm.
to any image on the computer, how to
Mm.
input? That's why we needed a scanner.
Scan.
That is the sixth point. Next,
Can I speak over a speaker?
speaker is the output device.
Is that out? Yeah, wow,
Speak,
wow.
Yes. Input to do something. Next, anything
Yeah.
else?
A barcode reader.
Barcode reader. Very good. You are very intelligent. Barcode reader. What is the use of barcode reader? Bache, why you are switch
Mostly
off your
used.
video? You are so smart. Why you are switch off your video? It's a nice interaction. Yes. What is the use of barcode?
They're used mostly in the supermarkets to read the barcodes on the products.
Like this. This is the pen. Pen. Its purpose is writing. But here is the some lining are there. If you want to see, some lines are there. That is called barcode reader. When we scan this, the whole information about this pen is visible on the our monitor. That device is known as barcode reader. Okay. Now another is anything else? Yeah, may I? I will tell you. Okay. That is another device is MICR, OCR, optical character reader. Nowadays each and everything, some your examination is held on objective type paper, and that means you are mark on the sheet. How to scan this result? For scanning this result, OCR reader is used. Okay. That's another input device is MICR, magnetic ink character reader. It's a like a pen. MICR is like a pen, but it is used to digital signature of anything. Uh, If you want to go bank and sign on computer, then we use MICR, magnetic ink character reader. Okay, that's all. It's a input device. I think overall, if someone asks about the input devices, at least you tell me you get the 5 to 6 input device very easily. Now, next, output device. What is the meaning of output device? Yes, output device. To show the result. To show the result, the output devices are
These are the computer components that output information.
to give the output, to give the result, to give the result to to show on computer. That's why we needed output device. The output device, first output device is monitor. Monitor is a output device.
Outside.
Okay. And another is,
Speaker,
yes, very good, speaker. Speaker is the second. And anything else?
printer,
Printer, it's a hardware point of view. It's printer is also a output device. Three is enough. Okay. Now next is CD-ROM. What is CD-ROM? Any idea about the CD-ROM?
it's
There, there are two types of CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. Nowadays, CD-ROM and DVD are rarely used. Today we used this type of device. I will show you this type of devices. What is this?
Flash. Flash.
Yes, flash device. That is called pen drive. Okay. So why we needed CD-ROM and DVD? CD-ROM is basically used to store the data. It's the storage device. The the first storage device when computer generated, the first is floppy disk. After that, it's a very small amount. It stores very small amount of data. After that, CD-ROM comes. Then DVD-ROM comes. Floppy drives is just one time writable. CD-ROM just for reading purpose. You cannot write anything on CD-ROM. Then comes DVD-ROM. DVD-ROM is basically used for read and write. It's a large amount of data. Just a minute. Yes. CD-ROM basically it used for a small amount of data. DVD-ROM for read and write both purpose. And third one, nowadays we used pen drive. It's whenever we need read write we can use. That is called DVD. Just take a minute. We want to- Yes. CD-ROM is done. Now another is sound card. Anyone idea about the sound card? What is the use of sound card? Anyone?
A sound card is used to output sound from the computer.
That is a speaker. That is a speaker. Yes,
Oh,
yes, Martin, please.
sorry.
I think it is used for recording and playing back the audios like that. Recording and playing back the audios.
Yes, yes. Sound card basically it's a driver. It's a hardware component. Without sound card, we cannot transfer our voice through mic, and that means it's a called driver. It's an initial essential component of a computer to for generate the sound. Okay, it's a driver. Now, laser disc, it's another component. Another laser disc is the simple, normally like use the CD-ROM is laser disc. Dear friends, always use these questions for examination point of view. Sir. These are the very important questions. Check your progress. Never miss these questions. Okay, this comes in examination. That question directly through the books. There is no changes. Now, next, I think hardware component is clear. Any doubt regarding the hardware component?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Now, with the sound card, Is it every computer has it, or sometimes you can install?
No, nowadays sound card is inbuilt in every computer. Okay, but before 5 to 10 year ago, there's a external hardware device called sound card. It is necessary to add in computers. And when you using the sound card, the another driver you use for install the to to complete the sound card. Okay. Now, now you come to the another part. Now, now software for multimedia. What is the software? What are the software required for multimedia? Basically, software, uh, the CPU, hard disks, these are called hardware devices. Software like MS Paint is also used for multimedia. Like Photoshop you use for multimedia. 3D Max, these are called multimedia software. And anything, any particular window media player is also called uh, software for multimedia. Okay, then that means which is used to create text, which is used to make image, used to make audio, make animation, make video. This type of software is called software for multimedia. Like in this book, we already given.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर मल्टीमीडिया देखिए दीज आर द सॉफ्टवेयर पेंट ब्रश फोटो फिनिश एनिमेटर फोटोशॉप 3D स्टूडियो कोरल ड्रॉ साउंड ब्लास्टर दिस इज कॉल्ड software that means through MS Paint to create the text, create the images, animator to make animation. This is called uh, software for multimedia. Now, multimedia extension in Windows. Extensions are basically, do you know what is extensions? Do you know what is extension? Extension like MS Word .docx, that is called extension. Like your name is Martin Mug.
Mukheraj.
Nagi, Mugira. That is that is your extension is called, the last name is called extension.
Mukheraj. Yes,
Mugira.
Mukheraj.
Mugira. Okay. Same thing in MS Word. MS Word .doc is called extension. Okay. Similarly, if you are creating MS Paint, the like I open the MS Paint, MS Paint. There is the file save as option. This is called extension of the. This is called extension. JPG, JPEG, JPEG, JFI. This is called extension. Okay. So anything for sound is MP3, WMF, dot bat. These are the called extensions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
The screen is not well. The screen is not okay. I don't know why.
Yes. Yes.
Your screen. Your screen. I'm not seeing what you're presenting.
Achha, okay. It's not visible. No?
Mm.
Now visible. Now visible. Now it is visible.
Yes, it's now
Yes.
now fine.
Now we are discussing the multimedia extension. Extension, you are clear?
Now it's fine.
Like uh, n- now, what are the main component of multimedia? We are already discussing the main component, textual information. Like anything type in the MS Word, that is called textual information. Images, when you are creating anything, picture like your pictures, that is called image. Bitmap image, it's also called when we creating very close uh, bit to each other, that is known as bitmap images. Vector images, it's 3D images. 3D images like if you want to show the architecture of a building, that means x axis, y axis, and z axis, all axes are there. That is called vector images. Like animations, movie, that is called vector images. The next is animation, like children movies, that is known as animations. Animations are also, there are two types of animation: 2D animations and 3D animation. 2D means there are only x and y axis are visible. 3D animation means all, that means x axis, y axis, and z. Whenever you see the movie, each movie has two type of print: 2D movie and 3D movie. For 3D we use some sunglasses, some different type of glasses to see the 3D movies. That will be also called animations. Digital audio, you already know what is the digital video. You also know that this is basically known as component of the multimedia. Now, multimedia design, production, and distribution. Whenever you want to create a multimedia, there are three phases are there. First, we planning, then production, then distribution. That means Whenever we design the multimedia, there are three types of images. Basically, it's called life cycle. Life cycles are basically three types. Whenever we want to create anything, like if you want to play football match, so first we planning the team. After that, they practice. After that, they play actual match. That is the three phase. Similarly, in multimedia, to create any movies, yeah, any multimedia, we first create planning. That in planning, you are designing the media, okay, how it is look like. Then production is created. After production, distribution, and it distribute the movie. Do you have any seen any movie, Indian Bollywood or Hollywood movie? Anyone see? Yes.
Yeah.
Which Bollywood movie you seen last? Can you tell me name? Any name?
Races. Races.
Bollywood movies.
Yeah,
Okay.
races.
Okay. For making of any movie, what they are, what team are doing? Basically, the team doing first select the actor, actress, what are the villains, what are the finance, what are the place,
Costumes. Costumes.
costumes, and places, and what is the story they planning. After that, they creating the movie. It will take long time. After creating the movie, then what they do, they that particular movie distribute to different multiplexes, different halls. That is known as multimedia life cycle. Then the question arises in examination, what are the steps for multimedia? Then there are multiple options are there. First with production, then planning, then distribution, or first distribution, then production, then planning. Yeah, third option, planning, production, and designing. Then what is the correct answer is planning, then
Production.
production,
Production
then
and distribution.
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 Distribution, that is the real sequence. Okay. That means you are clear the planning and what is the planning, what is the distribution, and what is the production. Now, the next topic is what are the applications of multimedia, and in which area multimedia applications are used. Any idea about in which area multimedia application are used?
They are used
First of
in they are used
yes,
by the graphic designers
yes,
and movie creators.
movie creator. Any other field, another area? Multimedia is used in hospitals. In do not understand how multimedia is
No,
used in hospital.
that's why. But we are now learning. We are learning. It's okay. It's okay.
Multimedia is mainly used in hospitals also. There are some surgery. Do you know? I think 5 to 10 years ago, when doctors cut particular doctor do the operation through different cutters and seizures. But nowadays they are doing laser lights with the help of laser lights. This can be done through the multimedia applications. I think all of you know the when any person is admitted in a hospital, the heartbeat will show in monitors. Its wave is running up and down. That will show through the multimedia applications. That means
Okay.
that is biggest role in hospitals. Nowadays, laser operations are there. If you do the some operations before, I think before 10 to 15 years ago, when laser concept is not there, then a patient admitted in hospital, it will to recover takes 30 to 40 days. But nowadays, the doctor operates through the laser lights, the person recover within 2 or 3 days. Now if there is a problem in stomach, doctor just pass the needle in stomach and see what are the functions are there, how through the laser light they can operate. This can be done with the help of multimedia. That means clear. Multimedia used in hospital, multimedia used in entertainment, you already all of you know.
Then what of construction?
Yes, please tell once again. What?
Construction.
Okay. Yes, it's a used in construction. Entertainment already done. Then education. Multimedia is also used in education. Nowadays, both of you, all are connected through which software? Multimedia software. After 5 to 10 years again, can you think we are connected through each other? It is not possible. That is possible through the multimedia applications where we can interact to each other. You are from which country? All of
Uganda.
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 Yes.
Mm.
All are.
Aye.
And both Francis, which country?
Uganda.
Okay. Okay. All are the same country. Yeah, okay. I am from India. They are far different. I never think कि I will teach the Uganda students. But multimedia comes, anything possible. Internet comes, anything possible. That with the application of multimedia. Now, now another is business communication. Like if you want to do the business, you are a Martin. What are you doing? Basically, in professional life,
Me, I'm doing transportation business,
transportation.
whereby we do car hiring and those kind of the things.
Okay,
Yeah.
Francis, what are you doing?
I'm a driver.
Okay, very nice. Yes, another one is no what? What are you doing?
Nothing for now.
Nothing. And that means you are just reading education. Okay, it's so good. Now, multimedia is also used in transport business. How? Can you explain, Martin?
Now, like these days, in the transport, we are finding a problem where we need to communicate with drivers through installation of some devices, say whereby we can monitor them
That means
online wherever they are moving.
that means
We see their time they have
yes.
used on the road. So we're using a lot of that one.
That means that is GPS. Through the GPS, you also drivers. The GPS system also
Yes.
help to reach to your destinations, and you also
To
check the what is
updates
the current location. Yes, that is the
of the driver. Yes.
beauty of multimedia. That means transportation is
Yeah.
also business communication. Like I am doing a particular a traditional business, like uh, in cloth. Suppose I am doing a traditional business in cloth, but my restriction is only for India. But how to communicate from US persons? But multimedia helps to, and that means Zoom helps to connect to US person directly. Suppose that you are doing the transport business, as some transporters are in India, you can connect through the Zoom also. Yes, that is the beauty of business communication. That means you can increase your business, you can communicate your business to each other. They all are different states of Uganda, but they are connecting through the Zoom. That is the beauty of they can communicate each other through Zoom. That is the knowledge transfer. Now, next application is public access. Suppose that if government wants to any circular to all of citizens, how they pass? They cannot write the letters to each and every person. Just email the all to all citizens. Yeah, just broadcast any message to through the TV, through the internet. That means all citizen is communicated. That can public transfer. Suppose that government uses a particular portal to launch a particular scheme for particular group of peoples. So how they communicate? Just go to internet and transfer the all to all details. They are communicating. That means multimedia is used for public access also. Now, multimedia is also used in publishing industry. Do you know what is publishing industry?
Come again.
What is publishing industry? Publishing industry. That means print media. Multimedia used in publishing industry. That means print media. Like if you want to
Billboards.
publish. Hello. Yes.
I was asking like the billboards also.
Publishing industry. Publishing to publish newspaper publish. That means multimedia used in publishing industry also. Like with the help of multimedia, we can easily capture the image from one place to another place and directly print in digital form in electronic. Today, nowadays, only physical newspapers are not there. Their electronic newspaper is also there. How it is possible? Through the multimedia softwares. Okay. Now, uses in communication technology. How multimedia is useful in communication tech? Do you know what is communication technology? What is communication technology? Communication technology is basically television. Television is a communication technology, digital audio, video, home shopping, financial transaction, digital multimedia libraries. These are called communication technology. Nowadays, you are listening the song. For listening the song, normally you use Google. There are all to all songs are there. So these songs comes to you through the communication technology na? That is called digital media library. There are a lot of library. If you want to Bollywood songs, if you want to Another song in Hollywood songs we can easily access. That is called communication technology. Shopping. The multimedia very useful in shopping. If you want to order anything, suppose uh, I want to any product from Uganda. So just I go to their website, your particular website, uh, just click on particular website and payment, then product will deliver to my house. Yes or not? How it is?
Yes.
It is possible through multimedia.
Multi-
That means multimedia is the vast area used. Now, multimedia used in teaching. Okay, now tell me, how many of you travel through the plane, aeroplane? All of you travel through aeroplane?
Me not yet.
No,
No. Okay. Plane. Any idea about the plane? Okay, I will tell. The
no,
uh,
no idea.
in no idea. Okay, you can see the in television there are a lot of planes. There are different airlines are there. Indian Airlines, UK Airlines, UAE
Tere,
Airlines. Different
tere.
airlines are there. Okay.
Hmm.
How they are managed? Suppose, Martin, you are doing the transport business.
Hmm.
Driver managing the your different buses, trucks. That's extra. That one, they can go from one place to another place. The driver manage each and everything,
Hmm.
and they know how to where to go, how to go, what are the difficulty they can manage itself. But plane, how the plane is managed? Plane is also managed through the electronic communication. When we run, plane first run on level. After some time, the plane higher and it left the surface and continue running around the normal speed is 800 to 900 miles per hour. The plane speed. They goes to that particular like uh, India to Singapore distance is 4400 miles. 4400 miles. It will take only 4 to 5 hours. That means average is 450. But how they are controlling? They are controlling through the air traffic controller through multimedia software. Like we are connecting through each other through the Zoom. That means that is device is known as multimedia. So through aeroplane is also managed by a different software. This is also a type of multimedia. They can handle each and every planes. Plane is running on the sky, but they can be managed by the floor. Okay, that is the biggest use of multimedia. Now, multimedia is also used in weather forecasting. Weather, do you know what is weather forecasting? Yes, what is weather forecasting? Yes, Francis, what is weather forecasting?
According on my opinion, it's like a prediction of the foretelling of the weather condition to come.
Yes, but how they can recognized? Suppose today rain will come or not. How can we decide? Any idea about? Do you know the what is satellites?
Yeah.
What is the satellite?
It helps to detect to detect sometimes to detect or to yeah to point out yeah to detect.
We always hear about it, but we have never known how it works and that's its
Okay,
definition.
okay. Ten. And the satellite is basically used to do something like just a minute. Huh. Satellite it bus just a just like a plane. It goes to in the sky. They take the signal and gives through infrared to Earth. And what is the actual condition of weather? They send the pictures. Suppose that um, Martin, your driver is around 200 kilometers far away from their residence. Okay,
Hmm.
then tell me there is raining. Then you can estimate the around 1.5 hour at that your location uh, rain may come.
Come again?
Sometime it may come. That means we forecasting the raining is done or not. Then same thing through satellite in just over the sky they just send the picture of current position. After it will the far distance from our this picture through comes to the earth. The scientists identify these pictures and predict what is the actual condition of weather.
A place. Okay.
We- that is called forecasting. And this can be done through the multimedia application. Now, best use in teaching. We are already see the teaching methodology in different criterias. If you want to do home tuitions, you also do the home tuitions. Okay, this is the basically multimedia applications. Anything want to know about the multimedia application? I think it is clear multimedia applications. Now,
Yes, sir.
now third and last topic is multimedia authoring tools. What is authoring tools? Authoring tools is basically what are the used to develop multimedias. Okay, I will share through the e-content. Okay, just a minute. Screen is visible. Multimedia
Halfway.
development tool visible or
Good
not?
now. It's now good.
It's visible.
Not good.
It's good.
Okay.
It's good.
Oh, okay. Good. Okay, just a
Come
minute
back.
again. Okay, just a minute. Now, multimedia authoring tools is visible.
Yes.
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 Uh, this is the last topic of multimedia authoring tools. Multimedia developing tools. Multimedia developing tools, basically, what are the tools used to develop a multimedia application? Their first is slide presentation used. Slide presentation. Do you know the what is as PowerPoint? What is PowerPoint?
PowerPoint.
Yes, yes, PowerPoint.
PowerPoint one of Microsoft. Um,
Po- PowerPoint it's a
we use it.
basically
We
it's a
use it.
basic.
We use it for like this. What we are doing, teaching.
PowerPoint is MS Word used for representation.
Okay, PowerPoint is basically used for basically to develop. Why my voice is echo? Okay, PowerPoint is used to develop a particular presentation, anything. Okay, so that means multimedia first developing tools is slideshow presentation. I am audible.
Yes, you're audible, but you're
Okay,
sharing the whole screen.
screen is sharing and not.
It's sharing, but it's sharing the whole of it, the whole screen,
Okay, okay,
full screen actually.
okay. Now, slide presentation is basically to promote our business, to develop our business. We use slide presentation, interactive presentation environment. That means if you want to develop any project, then we need to connect each other to one by one. To better communication, we need to connect each one to one by one. Like if you want to develop a project, so just I talk to Francisco, Norbert, Martin separately. That is called interactive presentation environment. And third is authoring environment. Authoring environment is basically like what is the actual performance after learning these three peoples. What is the actual performance of this product? This will be known as authoring environment. That means real environment is known as authoring environment. Features. Oh, that means authoring, when you are creating a particular software, that is called authoring. When you are creating a particular software, that is known as authoring software. Now, uh, what are the main features of authoring softwares? Integrated multimedia element. Integrated multimedia element, that means all the element like text, video, audio, animation, texts, all are combined. That is called integrated multimedia element. A script language platform. A script language platform means it's basically it's a script based programming concept used. Is what is the difference between normal programming and script based
I'm reading.
programming? Normal programming means normally we'll perform the logics, but script based means suppose you want to color the particular text, just type the font tag. That means one tag is used to perform a particular task. That is called script language program. That means there are no logic, just a particular text. If you want to bold, so just write the B. That means your text is bold. That is called script language program. Icon based program, that means like this is the icons. There are different icons are there. These are the icons, these are the icons. That means authoring tools are basically graphical user based, where we can just click on this, the particular action will be performed. Now, DLL extending features. That means some parts is missing. Suppose that some particular function is not working, then we used another DLL to add automatically. There no need to create, redevelop your project. Just add the particular DLL files in the project. Supporting CD-ROM, you already know. Supporting video for window, hypertext. Hypertext. Any idea about hypertext? Yes, Martin, do you want to say something? Martin, do you want
Yes,
to
sir.
say something?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you want to say something? Do you want?
Hypertext. Hypertext.
Yes, yes,
It
yes.
is a link. It
Yes.
is a link.
No, hypertext,
No,
anything,
hypertext, anything,
and cross-platform
and
capability.
cross-platform capability.
Okay, I will explain.
I
Just
will explain. Just
like what file is visible? MS Word is visible? Yeah, not.
not really. It's not.
No.
It's not.
Okay. Now
Now,
what is visible?
yes,
Yes. Yes.
Like
like clean.
I
I
I want to show
I
I want
want
to
to
show the how
I want to show the how
hypertext
I
like CIT02. It's a text. Go to insert. Here we want to option is hypertext, hyperlink, text to display, bookmark, target field. Like the text is just click on this. What happened? CIT03 block will open. That particular text is called hypertext. Text is called hypertext. When clicking on this text is known as hyperlink. Hypertext, that means anything click on particular location. When blue sign is created, that is called the text is called hypertext. And when clicking on this, another page is open, that is called hypertext. Okay. Any doubt about the hypertext and
Excuse me, sir.
yes?
I'm going to be off the video. I'm going to be online, but now I want to be somewhat busy. There's something they have called me to find out what I'm doing when I'm not communicating with like this. Can you allow me? I'll be
Yes.
on, but not like this.
Once again repeat. I cannot understand.
There's something I want to work on from my office. They have called me, but
Hmm.
I will not be like as on a video like this. I'll be just in the background listening.
Okay.
Just allow me. Allow me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now the next topic is feature authoring tools is done. Now now the last topic is quick time. Quick time. How the animation is created. Like what is animation? Animation is the basically multiple pictures. How the animation comes on the screen. Suppose that like I have show you they are single page. If I will show you AI, I will write. Suppose there is a one copy. Every every particular second I move forward. Every second I move, make another copy, another copy, another copy, another copy, another copy, another copy, and that means I have 10, 20 copies, 20 copies with combine each other, and I remove one by one. That means it look like picture is moving. That is known as quick time. That means there are multiple pages are there, and each and others are combining each other, and one by one we are removing from one to another. Then it comes quick time. I will show through the another example. Like MS Word screen is visible. MS Word screen
No,
is
it's
visible.
not.
No,
It's not.
just a minute. I want to stop the video. Then it will be visible. Now I think it's visible. What is visible?
Yes,
What is visible?
yes, it's visible.
Okay.
Yes.
See the quick time. I need type this element like just a minute. Again. See, A, you are typing. If I am continually pressing, that means it look like you moving the pictures. Cannot. It's moving. It's moving.
Yes.
Yes. That is called quick time. Suppose that I am just press A. It is moving, not moving.
No.
Again, it's not moving. But when you type quickly, then it look like it's running. That is called animation. That means multiple picture combined to each other in quick time, then it is called quick time. Okay, this is the called quick time. Okay, now unit 3 is completed. 3 is completed. Next next class will be start at 5:15. Okay, I think it's a practical class. We'll discuss another topic. Okay, thank
Okay.